inspire and ma-encourage din nila. And sige, sabihin ko na rin. So para nag-enjoy yung ating, and na-inspire, na-encourage yung ating mga runner. So sa ating Sydney, no, nabanggit kanina ni Coach Leo, we are sending our champions to world marathon races. So the winners of this year will be sent again to Sydney Marathon next year. So that's one really exciting news that sinabi ko na rin sa finals sana. But so that's one as part of our celebration for this year.
Okay. Good afternoon. I'm Gab Peras
Yes,
from
Gab.
Sports Corner PH. Sir Carlo, nakita naman natin kanina, nagkaroon tayo ng reunion ng mga past and present and the future Milo Marathon Champions. Magkakaroon din ba ng isa pang reunion para pagsamahin natin yung lahat na nag-champion, lahat ng mga nag-runner up in the past 50 years, and at the same time, of course, tuloy-tuloy pa rin ba yung inclusive marathon natin in partnership with the PSC? Salamat po.
Yes, thank you, Gab. So you have two questions. Kung magkakaroon pa tayong second reunion, why not? Alam mo, magandang idea yan. But now, we want to make sure na yung ating mga champions ay available din. So hindi lang naman kasi yung ating mga champion runners, yung mga king and queen ang gusto nating i-celebrate. Maraming mga reasons and maraming pating mga runner champions na gusto nating i-recognize. So thank you for that. Maybe we can do that sa finals. Or maybe we can do that in the regional races that we will have. And then the next one, we are proud to say that yes, we are continuing our partnership with the Philippine Sports Commission under Chairman Pato Gregorio and Commissioner Walter Torres for the walk, run, and roll. So last year was a success, and as mentioned earlier, we are making running more inclusive with our partnerships and other key stakeholders natin, not just in Manila but in the entire Philippines as well. So you can expect na tutuloy-tuloy natin yung ating efforts in making sports or running more inclusive. Thank you.
Thank you, Gab. Si Sir, okay, may